In this video, we'll dive into AirNFTs, a leading platform for buying, selling, and creating NFTs. If you're new to NFTs, AirNFTs offers an intuitive design to get you started quickly. When you first visit the site, you'll be greeted with a simple and clean layout. The homepage provides a clear path to mint your own NFTs or explore existing digital collections. To mint an NFT, all you need to do is click on the Create button. This opens a window where you can upload your digital artwork, choose its title, and describe it. The platform supports various file formats, including images, audio, and even video files. Once you've uploaded your file, you can set a price for the NFT and select whether you'd like to offer it for auction or as a fixed price listing. Once you've listed your NFT, it's available for anyone to view, purchase, or bid on. Browsing the marketplace is easy, with filters available for sorting by category, price, and most popular items. Each listing shows the title, description, and price, making it simple to find the digital art that interests you. To purchase an NFT, just click on it, and you'll be taken to a page with more details and a buy button. AirNFTs supports several popular payment methods, including cryptocurrency and traditional payment options, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. On top of its user-friendly features, AirNFTs also provides a seamless experience for those looking to dive into the world of NFTs without being overwhelmed by complex processes. Whether you're a digital artist, collector, or just someone curious about the NFT space, this platform gives you the tools you need to participate. You could also interact with other users by leaving comments or following artists you like, adding a social layer to the platform. As a creator, AirNFTs also offers various options for promoting your work, such as setting up social media links and sharing your NFTs with a wider audience. The platform also ensures that your NFTs are minted on a secure blockchain, offering peace of mind for both buyers and sellers. With low minting fees and a straightforward interface, AirNFTs makes it easy to get started with NFTs. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and NFT reviews. Let's keep exploring the world of NFTs together.